Hey! In front of me is VIVO X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this smartphone. Firstly, access settings and tap on display and brightness over here. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness feature, and as you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off though, you can do that by tapping on the same switcher. But you can also go into tab menu instead and click on this little eye icon next to brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!